It's not starting.
What you're looking at here is the full moon setting over the ocean as the sun is rising. And some local guys fishing. Pretty cool, huh?
There's sunshine out there for some reason. Look at that. Way out in the center, you see that? I haven't seen the sun in a couple days. I tried this yesterday, going on a little motorbike ride. Yeah, somebody asked for it. Here you go. I don't know what kind of bike it is. You'll see on the film in a second. It is a used loaner from the super awesome family that we've been hanging out with here. It is very different than my Yamaha Tenere 700 I used to have, but we'll go get it. I'm going to run this camera on my chest. I'm just going to clip it on the little strap on my backpack. Got this little bad mamma jamma for the other GoPro, and we'll have it facing me, hopefully. Hopefully not crash or die. I mean, you ride so slow here. It says electric start. I've only had it start with the electric starter once or twice, but it does have a Kickstarter, so I use that. Easy peasy, let's get it. It's as good as we're gonna get it. Is this one looking ahead? Oh yeah. All right, let's roll. We're in neutral. She's not a cold starting girl. Thank you. It's not starting. It's got gas.
Gas on it?
Yeah.
Somewhere?
Yeah. Just check. And the doesn't even sound like it's doing anything.
This side. This side.
Wait.
Wait.
No, I think I know the valve.
Start.
Yeah. I think the fuel. Hold on.
Fuel.
Fuel valve.
Oh.
Forgot. I forgot the valve.
Where are you going?
Metro. It was this. Yeah, I forgot to turn it. It's good. It's good now.
It's good.
Yeah. I forgot. Let me give it a shot.
Choke. No choke.
No choke now.
Game.
Yeah. I think it's good. It's good. Sir.
Welcome.
Thank you both. Note to self. Turn on the fuel gauge, or turn on the valve, or else you'll starve the engine of gas. Yes, thank you. was home, and I remembered the fuel cutoff valve for the first time ever. Never owned or ridden a motorcycle with one of those that I'm aware of. I mean, I don't know, maybe. Who knows? Anyway, we're home safely with groceries. Now it's time to walk next door and get a beer. Alright, I'm back from a store run. Different shirt because it started pouring down rain as I went across the bridge over the river. Hopefully it's not too loud. Looks like it's going to be a pretty okay sunset, but not great because it's cloudy all the way around. Anyway, just thought I'd come follow up. I think this is going to be maybe just one short vlog of just me riding to the store and riding, you know, straight into town and back, not really going anywhere. Sunscreen, it's a thing. Use it. I look ridiculous. Oh well. Starting to look nice out there. Anyway, I'm rambling. I made it back from the shopping run. It was a success. I had a guy, you know, you saw the guy help me out. Cheers to you guys. And yes, there's ice in my beer. That's how they do it here, and I frankly like it. It's already watered down. Why not make it cold and watered down? You dig? And really, who gives a f when this is where you're at, right? When we get to our long stay in Thailand, were we talking about that yet? Yeah, we're going to Bangkok next. We leave Leyte in 2 days, right? Is that right? No, yes, no. We don't leave Leyte. We leave Baybay City in 2 days. And then we leave Leyte the following morning, if I'm not mistaken. We'll fly from Tacloban to Manila to Bangkok. Stay near Don Muang Airport one night, and then we're staying, I think, at Asok. Julie likes that area, so we'll be there. Hopefully you can hear stuff I'm saying, and if not, I'll just let you listen to this for a while.